Hey babes! Welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're doing a budget with me where I'm preparing my July budget calendar. And I'm going to be using some stickers that I've had for quite a while. I purchased from Michael's during a sale a long time ago. But I think they're perfect for summer. Just a nice tropical theme. So that's what we're going to use. And then I also have some Planner Kate box stickers and dots that I'm going to also use to mark my bills that are due and any appointment copays that we have for this pay period. Just so you'll have a little background, I keep a list of all of my bills in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Folio in my dot grid journal so that each month I can be reminded of the bills that are due, and it gives me a rough idea of when they're due and how much they typically are. So I'm going to use that as a guide for this pay period. The first thing we need to do is put in the date for July. I'm going to fast forward through this section just because it's a little time consuming and tedious. I hope you enjoy the music. All right, so that covers all of my July dates. Now that we've got the dates in, let's get started with putting in the expenses for the month. My first expense is on the 2nd, which is my daughter's cell phone bill. And I'll go back in and write in each of the bills when I'm done. I just want to block them off quickly. And then we also have the household contribution. Should do this one. I have my credit 1 bill that I'm hoping will actually be paid off completely by the end of June, but I'll just put a placeholder here just in case, or if I get charged some interest or something in order to completely zero out that balance. Haven on the Lake, which is my spa gym membership on the 18th. I think I'm actually freezing that account for right now. I don't plan to go back to the gym right away, but I'll just put a placeholder just in case. On the 23rd, we have Netflix. I also know that I have PicMonkey, which is really one of my business expenses, but that comes out on the 12th, so I want to note that. Progressive, I don't actually have a monthly payment right now for that, so I'm not going to add that in. Navient is also on the 24th. That is my student loan. Kind of layer those two. And then storage is on the 25th. We're going to use this one. My car loan is on the 26th. We're going to use, let's use the peach on this side to balance it out. I can't think of any other specific July expenses, so I think that actually includes everything. I do like this bill due sticker here. Oh, I know something actually super duper 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 important. I have a special payment due on the 15th. So I'm going to use this yellow one here for that. That is very, very important. So this one. And then I also want to use my other bill due sticker here for my household payment, because that's super important to me as well. So I think those are designating all of my recurring monthly bills. And I'm going to use these dot stickers here in order to note any co-pays that I have for upcoming doctor appointments. I have a copay for my daughter on the 7th. She has a doctor's appointment, so we're going to use one of the, let's use one of the yellow ones here, and that is on the 7th. Yes. I do have another appointment scheduled on the 24th for our dog Macho. So I'm going to put a dot here to designate his vet appointment, eye doctor appointment. I also want to note my payday. Planner Kate sent me a couple of these payday flag stickers, which I absolutely love. I have 2 sheets of them, and then I purchased a full sheet of them. So I'm going to use these to notate my paydays, and they are 10th and the 24th. I need a sticker for the 10th. I think I'm going to use this green one. And then I also need one for the 24th. There is a peach color here, so maybe I'll try to pull in something close to that color. I don't think I have that specific peach. That's pretty close, so I'll use that one. Yeah, that's pretty close. Now that I've designated my paydays, I'm going to go in and write in all of my bills, and then we'll decorate and then color code and be done. I think that covers everything. I'm going to leave credit 1 and household blank for now, so I can get final totals for those closer to the 1st of the month. The next thing I want to do is decorate. So these are my stickers, and I'm going to use them to decorate this month's calendar. Let me give it one more glance over. Thinking I might actually want to move the bird over if I can lift it up again. I don't know, these little legs are so thin. Can I get it off the page? Yeah. Yes, it's happening. It's happening. I hope you saw me lay my last few stickers down on the page. This is what I've come up with. It's a little busy, but it's very tropical, very bright, very vibrant, and to me, very pretty. I really do like it. And so I'm going to write in some goals for the month, but before I do that, I'm actually going to create a color key so that I'll know which bills go with each payday. So let me grab 3 of my outliners. I don't know why, but purple came to mind first. I'm going to create a color key. So the first one will be golden. The second one will be purple. And these represent each of my paydays for the month. And the last one will be blue. I have a payday on June 26th. I have a payday on July 10th. And then also July 24th. And the reason I use this key is because I can visually see easily from which paycheck I'm pulling funds in order to pay each of my bills. The bills that come before my first paycheck in July on the 10th will be paid using my June 26th paycheck. So that would be Metro PCS, Credit One, if there's anything, this copay for my daughter's doctor. Those are the 3 included in my June 26th payday. And then I also have July 10th, and my household payment will come out of that one. The PicMonkey subscription, SSFF, which is a settlement that I have to pay. I don't want to go into a lot of details, but I just want to get it behind me. Haven, Netflix, those are all of the bills from my first paycheck of the month. Last but not least, the blue will represent all of my bills paid with my July 24th paycheck. Now, obviously, there may be other things that pop up throughout the month, more doctor's appointments, other fees or expenses, and I'll add those in as appropriate throughout the month. But this gives me off to a very good start in terms of being able to visually see what all I have to cover for this upcoming month. I'm really happy with the final outcome of this month's budget calendar. I love the tropical stickers. I hope they inspired you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!